How to clear WhatsApp messages. To get started, first of all, you need to open up the WhatsApp application on your phone. You will then be taken to this page where you can view chats. Then, go to Settings from the bottom right corner. Then tap on the option Chats from the menu. Once you're in this page, tap on the Clear All Chats option. Verify your phone number over here. Once you're done putting in your number, hit the Clear All Chats button over here. Once you're done clearing the chats, all your message history and shared videos will be deleted from WhatsApp. So, by following these simple and easy steps, you can go ahead and easily clear WhatsApp messages. This gives you more flexibility on how you use WhatsApp. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.